have my Lily Quick custard. Well, Mommy's not gonna get that. No? You gotta get the bear? Get your bear. Oh, good job. Thank you. Oh, you just bit his face off. Do it again. I know you want to. Bite his face off. That's how you always eat the bear, huh? Also mean. How kind of you, Declan. You left me the ears. Because Mommy only gets the ears. You don't want the ears? What is that?
This is chocolate.
It looks like a big piece of chocolate. I guess it does.
And
But
look,
what is it?
look right there.
Ugh. It's actually ham. It's not chocolate, it's ham.
So we had to buy it. It's so big.
That would be a really huge piece of chocolate. Oh, these are already fully cooked turkeys. 4 to 6. Oh, smoked for 4 to 6 hours. That's cool. Look what I found at Costco. So cute. Nightmare Before Christmas Pirates. We use these containers anyway, so this will be cool to add to our little Pirates collection. And I do already have the Yoda one. We picked him up from Safeway a couple weeks ago. But yeah, now we have Nightmare Before Christmas and a couple of Yoda, baby Yodas. Cute! Wow, okay, today we're here at the Hawaiian Railway Society. We didn't know this was here and we live here. We saw it on TikTok. But Daddy did. Look at the trains, Declan. It's so cool.
We have to go.
Must have a nice night display at Halloween. Because it's Halloween. Because it's Halloween. Look at that. That's so cool. Nobody's here. It's just us. Let's go check it out. So cute. Oh God, it's closed for renovation, Declan.
What?
Yeah, we can't go see the toy trains. Oh, maybe come back another day. Imagine riding in this, Declan, way long time ago. Yeah, all the animals and the people that would go in here. That's just a rock. Look at the train. Oh, look at this Nova. Wow. What are they carrying? They're carrying a coffin with some bones inside it. That's kind of sad. Well, we'll be back again. This is what happens when you come super early or on off day. You get the whole place to yourself because nothing's open. Oh boy. If you want to check it out, there's their website. Aloha. What'd you get? What'd you get? Show me what you got. Oh, we went to Tinker Toys, huh? Or Tinker Toys? Yeah, Daddy bought you some kinetic sand. So lucky.
Yeah, but I just wanna.
Did you give Daddy a hug for buying you the sand? Oh, so cute. A good hug. Give Daddy a hug. Oh, so sweet when you want to be. At home, yes. So the Hawaiian Railway thing was a bus, so now we're here having lunch at Kamakana Ali'i at El Taquero. Oh no, Taquero El Ranchero. Oh my god, this salsa is so spicy. So spicy, but it's so good. Hey, yummy chips. Hopefully you eat your lunch. Or did you a breakfast taco? Try this place out. Love Mexican food. Oh my god, this burrito is huge.
That's huge. That's a monster burrito.
This is a monster burrito. Oh my god.
Look at that thing.
This thing is humongous. Okay, this is gonna be hard to chomp into. Let's see. Oh, I don't know where to start. It's so big. Ooh. That is huge. Oh my god. Daddy's a duck now. So full. That burrito was huge, but it was so good. I think though can't compare to Acapulco. Acapulco still #1 in our book. We'll probably miss this one too since we're leaving. That's Oliver's. He now names it Mothra. And we still have this guy, Kaka. That's Declan's one.
Wait, we don't want
Okay, his name was changed to Vivian.
Mommy?
And he hatched this morning.
Mommy?
We just missed it.
Mommy?
Look at him go.
My...
Oh, there he goes.
There he goes.
There he goes. Bye-bye.
Wait, why are you losing
I'm
him?
free.
Why are you losing him?
We're singing free.
Oh, look at that.
Shark's gonna eat it. Okay, everything come on now. Okay, good boy. Look at little bear. Very good.
What is that? Since I have the most candy, I'm just gonna dump this.
Wow, that's a big pile of candy you guys got. You gonna dump it? Whoa! Oh yeah, your coins. I mean your little eggs with coins.
We have coins inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, but where's my money?
Ooh, gotta put that away.
Where's my eggs?
Wow.
I got Smarties.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's a lot of candy. We have 4 piles of candy. How's that? Jeez.
Look at this.
Wow. That candy good?
I'm just gonna eat this.
Look, there's Pringles. What flavor of Pringles did you get?
hazelnuts inside.
Wow. What are you eating? Why are you eating gum for, Dingling? What a waste. What are you eating, Declan? Oh, Milky Way, your favorite? Wow.
My favorite.
What is that one? Oh, Whoppers? That's Daddy's favorite. Save those for him.
Yeah, I got some.
And
money.
oh, look, you have Rice Krispie treats. Oh yeah, lots of Whoppers for Daddy. Oh, what Pringles is that in that bag over there, Declan? Yeah.
These are Pringles for snacks.
Oh, yum.
Those are just for snacks. Another gumball. Daddy, would you like some
Another
Whoppers?
gumball?
Oh, wait, gumballs?
Yeah, Daddy likes Whoppers.
Here's your